at outside. It's a big snowstorm. So we had nice weather for 2 days and now it's again started. Look at that. If you can see, the wind is too strong. It's blowing the snow from the roof right there. I'm inside. Look at that. Oh man. Look at all the snow we have outside. See that? Do you guys think it's a night time? Looks like almost morning. Okay, let me show you. I'll open the door and we'll go outside. Well, this is my house. And here we go. Let's see. Knock, knock. Who's there? It's a snowstorm. Look at this. Look at, I just came out. Look at my footprints. Look at that. Because I just came barefoot. Look at that. You see that? Oh my goodness. And like we had few nice days last week, and like there was no snow on the roads and the sidewalks was all cleared, but look at this now. It's, oh, look at this. Looks so pretty. You see, it's snowing and it's blowing. Like maybe an hour ago, or maybe you can say in the afternoon when I came here, there was nothing here. And look at all the snow we got. So you see this, I'll show you in the morning too. And here is my shivling where I pray. It's weather like Himalayas. Look at, guys, doesn't even look like it's night time. Right now it's around 11 o'clock in the night, and look, when the car will come, then you can see the snow in the light. Look at, see that? Hello my lovely people, make sure you drive safe. And look at this. Oh man, look at the street light. Ooh, I am cold because, guys, look at me. Hi, I'm not even wearing a sweater. I'm just in my night suit, so don't mind. Now go back there. Ooh. Oh man. Oh, I think I should go in now. It's really cold. Look at that snow. Looks so pretty. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye, my lovelies and cuties. Have a good night.